Tariki ni komimu tinyeno yogatano gatatu mwaka no yobwe chirubere mirongo hebere ni tano yomo onchomo ligerinde no kwegena mbiore andonsia sole na wokwanire na boyo kwaligane nyora hamangana maye kiunga chinse ibere chiabo no botukeli terana isera sikundi yarabona nigo twayasangerira onsina ko yabe kalibo elimo aso kwene kibuna komanyora alionsi akora kanire me yagusi na boigo iske yagusi abego na bokendra go sange birangero byabo nkayogenda tekubwate kyogakuru so tumagwetera namba ya simu ya 0716111177 go sege Tembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube inchiwetere birangero byaga senjira erendo ngimanya nkayi obwatete kyunga korwa irabuna onsi igora chikonyora ekeke kirimote. Karibu humonchumu ligerelia go chake kiunga chinsaibire nigo chisegi chiaba chikwenekiwa ensemo ya Ngararo na boigo oronereteti sensemo ya Transmara he kaunti ya Narok lichukulia Jumamosi ekyo kyereta mukweli y'omuntu yomo boiga bandi gotigirwa bo muhatete wetira chinsara itikulia lero nigo bolendi bwatingigwa kubwatikana mo n'abanyimbo hau bakora babeka obwo obolendi senseme ya sokwenekiwa no botereru kwene kibare ase chinseme chomuli kitu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara roboti rwa sinjira yobwikira
nekisegi chia amaremo boigo chimbebe ekyo chiko bachigo tubuka ase chingaki na inde chasira ase ensemo ya Transmara county ya Narok una bakweresa bale nyagitari kobweniwa wetera chingoma banyora kuru ase chisegi ekyo cyabali tukulia Jumamosi enseme yo
saa 11 saa 12 wakafika kwa mabomu wakaanza kuchokora mabomu vijana wakatoka wakaenda ni kuuliza nini mbaya, wakaanza vita namna hiyo. Watu wakapigana, serikali ikakuja ikagawa hawa. Lakini sana sana kitu hili inafanya hapo inaleta shida, kuna hii barabara iliwekwa. Hii Natembea Road. Hiyo Natembea Road imewekwa vibaya. Kuna mahali inafaa boundary inafaa kuwepo, lakini hiyo barabara ndio imeleta shida sana.
Na mahali boundary hiyo nini piko niko, hata wazee wanajua. Hata serikali inajua mali hiyo piko niko. Sasa hiyo shamba ikifuatiliwa na hiyo mapigwa, vita itapigana.
Sasa ni ile tu serikali inafika, wanapewa pesa, wanarudi wanasema ngoja hiyo maneno tutashughulikia. Watu wanapoa wanaambiwa weka silaha chini, hiyo maneno tunafuatilia. Inaenda inakaa namna hiyo. Wale watu walisema wekeni silaha chini, wanaenda wanapotea hivyo. Maana wamekula wamepewa pesa.
Huko ndio nyumbani. Na hao jamaa walikuja hivyo tu. Ilikuwa siku ya Ijumaa usiku, wakapiga nduru siku yote mpaka ikafika saa 9. Ilipofika saa 9, wajamaa wakakuja wakafungulia ng'ombe.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Gramati Shoranga. Hapa tumeteseka sana. Tumeteseka na sijui wanang'ang'ania nini. Barabara alishatolewa na Natembea na tunashangaa
na watu naangamika kwa ajili ya wasili wanateremkia sisi kila siku, wanatuumiza, wanaumiza watoto wetu kila siku, ni mazishi sababu ya watoto.
Nigo abanyanyimbo bensemeyo baumerana korobelia buna baraya enderere korobelia koirania omorembe asayo.
Tumejumuika hapa tukiwa security committee ya the two sub counties, that is Transmara West na Transmara South. Ni kwa vile kwa siku chache ambazo zimepita tumekuwa na misukosuko kwa hii line yetu, mpaka yetu ya Enoretet na Nikararo, ambapo the two sub counties zinakutana. Vijana wamekuwa wanavamiana, ndio sababu tulikuwa tumekutana tuweke mikakati tuhakikisha kwamba vijana waendelee kupigana. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa lengo yetu kukutana siku ya leo.
Reporter Tembe, Wycliffe Tyson.
Ya mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara soroboturu. Mulikibotamba se wizara ya chisemi ya Pesky Education choni olilikuta. Igahene kiribune serikali nere tayare kubwatirana bobwatani heligotingia sekte yo. Okwano mu basolero seskuru ya sekondari ya Hema Chitago. Ebunge ya Nyaribali Masabe kaunti ya Kisii ole lutwani go chinga kicha kwanaire ukoni gukubatuka mwigelio asaborokiwa wetira se chinchira chekerero korengana ne chiro iye chigasio mulikito Daniel Ntiri norobotirwa senchira yoweka
gukwana chingaki cyokora ukwigorwa kwebirasi biya hasi skuru yiga imiye kaunti ya Kisii ololtwa nigo chingaki cyo hayene kiri mukia wa serikali hasi sekta y'ichisemi.
Mimi kama PS kwa basic education, mimi pia nitatembea na nyinyi ili mambo ya elimu isidi kupanda juu, isidi kuendelea vizuri. Ombi langu tu ni moja, ya kwamba tushikane pamoja, amani ikwe katika mashule yetu, tabia nzuri ikwe katika mashule zetu, na mambo ya kusoma vizuri. Sisi kama serikali tutafanya jukumu yetu, na nyinyi pia mfanye jukumu yenu.
Asomoiga uyibwe karunwa na barai au gatiabu mojumbe wensi miga musike Dr. Daniel Manduku musike Zairi Janda kurase bunge yenye ribari chache umamsi umachore we kaunti ya Kisii musike Dolphin Bwari gati ya bande ololtua nigo chinga kecho boigo hakwaniro muroberio moya bokoenekia masomo asichinchira chekerero haikirasi skuru wetania chimisato asirongorwa Gusii bolie bono kubwatirana ilioko yuikirania.
Na tuko na digital literacy program ambayo tutakuwa na digital devices na tutakuwa na digital boards pamoja na tablets na shule 332 katika eneo hili la Kisii zitafaidika.
Asesemo ya siasa ukubolia ni kukwabekwa kugendera kwa wate serikali ya Kenya Kwanza waigo siasa chi kaunti ya Kisii.
And I want to send a message to my brother Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Wewe ni mtoto wetu. Wewe ni ndugu yetu. You are our brother. You are one of us. We want you uje na hawa viongozi wengine wa Kisii tumunge Rais William Ruto mkono ili tusonge mbele.
Nche ekerongo liene kerokyo wa women representative 2027 konganjara moto chama kolime. Mheshimiwa Manduku egase gwakorire nengia ebirasi ebiga gwatoroseire na ndege ntungu gwa kirambu ya mono ebara nire konyoreto chandete rukeroka bakaibacho nyabegetwe bono nerami yoko tugutarira baki gotari buya
Nkrubatirigata seni kiagatembe kuriga hema chitago ewodi ya Ichuni meye bunge yenyere bari Masabe kaunti ya Kisii Elitara nenguru kwa Daniel Ntiri.
Bia muno muligito Daniel Ntiri ha soroboti uru. Setaro ya wanasiasa ba Gusii korwa sekiama ya Jubilee. Bakora wana kiribogora wilkisini michira murarake base gati ya baraibande bensemo ya nyangu kuime ya wasi kaunti ya Kisii. Setare yoni go bairiro buya higoro yo kwero belia buya go bochia kumubwantese. Musika Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase chukura chiribusio ase nchinkwana chabani go batukuterare chinkwana chabarayete buna Gusini gebwate omubaro omoke muno muri kitotiboni asanya norobotirwa senjira yobekira
gukwana ime yabo basi ase gikaro nabamenyi kurwa chinsemo ao erombe yiga yabarayi ni go besokirie anene aso gukwanira eganga nene yo guchikumusira Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i aseganga yae yo kurigia oborai bwense aso bochorio bonene bulibosio na mono igoro yo mubaro kurwa sorogongoro igarwa Gusii.
Sisi ni team inaitwa team Matiang'i 001. Tumekuja hapa Bobasi, ndio station yetu ya kwanza. Tumeanza hii mkutano, tutatembea Kisii mzima, Nyamira mzima, tukijaribu kuambia watu wetu kwamba tunatosha. Ndoiza inie
ege ntogyoka gekete Gusii nobolemo kali chikura ege robolemo bwakete Gusii aba Gusii bakaenda kuligia amalemo isiko ya Gusii aba Gusii bale Trans Nzoia Kitale ebara bange kubwa bale Bobasi aba Gusii bale Nakuru ebara bange kubwa bale Nyamira asenge ncho yobolemo chikura chomo Gusii kanyengima is 3 million. Igo Matiang'i kako enda kokwanere bisa kubinde tayari sisi tutampatia kura milioni ngapi?
Chingaki echecho ni government buna Matiang'i chingaki alenge asobokoreri bwaya buno waziri nigo aikaranetie emiroberio emenge na gukinia amagendero y'eki sector ao egento bateba inga aise konyoreri baga lyo konyora oburai bwense nigo arakore buya muno asobokoreri bwaye.
Sema mimi mpigaji kura wa Bobasi na hapa ya kwamba nitampigia Daktari Matiang'i kura zetu zote. Mungu nisaidie.
Kinaringa kwa sabasa kwa makokobe. Kero tinga kichiri chigo ika. Toa kere Matiang'i chikura.
Kura ranga serikali ya William Ruto bangira.
Asensemo yende nigo bakwanira siasa che county ya Kisii asebateba nibiro bono byekire abarayi bali bakubikwa sicha bisi kuligererwa koba aba magenderero.
Igagusi paletro bonyiro bonende. We do not need goons for us to be leaders. We do not need goons. We do not need to shed blood for us to be leaders. And you go kwa Mauricia. Na tonyire elinde wonyigwe naina moigwa motege baraba mino tato mino na kero moto ituko limewaja koimoka kogendege tu wakachikura akira abantu bamanyetega asiyabo buno muchukuru toleamo ega asiye nero ya asinyira barai nakigora alitoko tebera wanta na omole wanta
kurega asebunge yabo basi county ya Kisii ile ngongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Biamuno mulikito Dipon Asanya ha sorobotiru ama tukama kema ga yomoga ka Jeremia nyali bomboga hoibo igo kabiro morali begetaseni keredio gya FOK yo kolete miremo yo barali wetani miaka ya merongevere wesoke na gukwanira bokungo bonene obubu musangireta sinka yaye ya boroira anene mono mwana ebe miaka 43 Silita Susan ke muntanyali bo hobeire asegetanda asigeka kimya kitubona nigemambia lero wetira abanyoro bokonyi wetira sekimbe kya mwanya getingete chikanso awamutalira sinka yaye bwana chinga kichitare yo nigo barure serikali kuligiria maganio ya bagotu anene bali balitagire
Miyamana sana so ntare Njemarieta na nkuru kwa Jeremy Nyeri Bomboga na kaberu murario na bwese Kenya kakurera na KBC na bere nkane miaka 21 akara wakaiwe ngana yane ngana mbwate mono numwano ndwarete mungina nere tari gwetu ya mono lakini monege ntugenje cyane tino mwana uyu
Njamarieta yonkoro kwa Elizabeth kwambuka Nyaribo Jeremia Nyaribo nero mugakone twamenyere nere 41 years Gente kanene mono kiango kirie ekero narorire umuraria gutina bagaka wa mwanya gitinge mugako Nyaribo ekera aritajete na beya iriganeti no muntu ritajire agaja ne bifaa byonsi bi ekera murwira aswa 2024 nyaruka yane yabwatike barua ari Nairobi igako gendeke barua igakora upset agagwa iga bande bairite ngwairire akarentwa gocha busongo
asa mariete yankoro kwa George Nyakundi umunyagetumbe umunyagetingerite chikanso lero no tole kenyoroga kya rio chanda asomochi bwa lisense Jeremy Nyeri Bomboga asitwacha kubwatekana na mangana twanyorete kurwa chinyomba cia bararia gatebana yaya abantu bali amasense tokoroka national heroes mbamenye tibia mbatigire ngenjogete na hende twansire kubeba guchia
ncheno tenyogendi omugako oyo Nyaribo wangu mubekera ko bieye nerogerete ndikinde kurwa KPC Kisumu yari kurugufio K igo mwaka Nyaribo nakorete mirimo miyago cyasende mokonye na kurigereria abantu abagotu buno yo igabono na abandi bagakarenga batararorekana n'umunginoye abantu abo baroserigwe umurubiri bakobweni gubosa bakanyirita amatuko inase mintangani ensemo yakabere barigereri gunga inki bako babako na konyora asichinga kijibore na bamoyo nituka mbali na abachikururia abo kamba kunyara kubalinda na barumba takiri banyore kire kyabo gisini nige kuna kubakonya kabale nabo moya subi kubwensi na inu abara inyombe ikyo buraria na inu moje makate mambi moro asio moroberio bwogo ja kurira ni mambia buna bona nyaribo twagire kamororaga inu moroberio rengoranga bona gamenyeza sinjirire ngi
Engineer Mobare Oire. I also request the print media abangwana balitayire from journalism broadcasters serikali baligererie ebakonya because abangwana bakorete serikali gasingia mono that they need not to be ignored.
Morai benso muske wira muruto ni go heso kiribene na kwena ngindera kwegerera berobali ya serikali hanena so wekirani ubuya gocha sumonenchi okwana sensemo ya Naivasha he county ya Nakuru singake chege karo ikiama kya UDA hamo na ODM morai benso muske wira muruto ni gene kiribuna serikali echikwene kibuna ngwekirani robo korolo buya gocha sawa na nchi so kwene kibuna ngwego kiribale hobo korolo obo wekero obo choli obonene bolosyo.
We have liberated those Kenyans from CRBs and brought them back using the Hustler Fund into the economic sphere. We have lent 90 billion shillings, have 7 million active Kenyans borrowing from the Hustler Fund. Storage, trading spaces, water, electricity, sanitation, and with a lot of confidence, our traders will be moving into these markets as we have already started the completion of many of them. Today, Mama Mboga and Boda Guy can access SHA, a product that was way beyond them. They too can participate because today SHA has the opportunity to include every Kenyan. Today the Boda Guy and the Mama Mboga lady can also afford a decent, affordable social house in Kenya. Some of them already are occupants of our social housing in some of the developments that are now complete. 123,000 young Kenyans have received a boost of 50,000 each one of them to promote their businesses using the Nyota program. Universal health, spoken about by Article 43 of the Constitution of Kenya, today is a reality to 32 million Kenyans that we have registered. And it's not just the number of Kenyans we have registered. It is what
kwana baigo chinga kya kolege karo na barai bebya mebyo homorai benso moske wira muruto igane kiribuna na chikobwa sobachori hobonene bolibosibo mwaka w'ekirubera 2025 chinga kicho murai bense ni gamo cha barai bo kwamerelia serikali sata bunati obwati atenda hende yonsi ya magendro gwecha sabana nchi.
The next election we must win. By God's grace, we must win the next election. The alternative is difficult to fathom. A group of people who have no plan, no agenda, no policy, no vision, is too dangerous for
so Roberto Rumanchumo likilia tenyoro motimo komo keto kuirana ntugande ne kyonga sinchira yoboikira.
eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka miyomo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu bunabono mbabwate esukari kurwa Seche Company ao obusi bw'engano amavuta y'icingeni kurwa Seche Company ao amajani kurwa Seche Company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa Seche Company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bale Black Sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabunabono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na Credit Bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wikereno ngusibya bale ekisuti kigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibya bana wikabiri by'abantabanere wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imiyumo cy'ubusungo nyanjwa amenya gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bokoreri bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Karibu nainde umonchomo oligereria mokonyi bumurai bense Professor Kithure Kindiki igagenderere gotogia serikali ya broad-based kubwatikana na ligendete gwikirani guchia sawa na nchi igo mokonyi bumurai bense asairuna igo chinsemo chonsi kigendete konyora amagendro kulenganiwa ne serikali ya Rwabisi asekelini igo chinsemo chonsi kigendete kubwatirana asubwamo.
Teamwork makes work light and makes efficiency better. Kwa hivyo nimeshukuru sana, na leo ni siku ya kuzungumza, ya kuelewana na kuona mahali tumefika na vile tunaendelea tukisonga mbele. Hii broad based, Mheshimiwa Rais, imetusaidia sana, imeturahisishia kazi ya siasa na hata kazi ya kukusaidia kuendesha serikali ambayo unaongoza. Kwa hivyo I think I'll be in order. Na leo ni siku ya kuzungumza, ya kuelewana na kuona mahali tumefika na vile tunaendelea tukisonga mbele.
Nigo homo raiwe kiama kia ODM Oburu Odinga nigo hago kairo kubwatirana na bwigo korosigwa kwebya mebinge aigaime yense Oburu niga ruro kubolia gochia sebya mebinge gwesokia asokwe nikibuna nkuranira bire abachori obonene bole bosibo mwaka w'ekiruwera 2025.
Your Excellency, those issues are serious issues. We have been we struggled for this country to become independent from the colonial power. But Your Excellency, after independence was when multi-party was abandoned and our country became a one-party state. And that the whole world was not going single party. Because single party was leading to dictatorship. It was not allowing proper democracy to prevail in the country. So people fought and sacrificed, and there are Kenyans who lost their lives in the struggle to change this country and remove that oppressive law making Kenya a one-party state. Your Excellency, after the one-party state we became a multi-party democracy. Many parties were registered. Some of them are briefcase parties, which only appear during elections. They come and they are folded. And our party, ODM, has been in existence for the last 20 years. This is the longest. Your Excellency, we moved on when we joined this broad-based government.
Nigo gavana we kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika igatogera kubatirana we kiama kia ODM amo na UDA. Ogwana sensemo ya Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru chinga kicho kubatirana gose egikaro ikiama kia ODM amo na UDA. Kika nige nekiribone ebya mebyo nigo bayira chikwene kibuno mora benso moske William Ruto kirana roborai asentunda ya kabire.
URP and TNA, and after that we got into government. In these last concluded elections, Your Excellency, our group, then called Tanga Tanga, we were always here in Naivasha trying to come together, bring our people together and make sure that we formed the government, and alas, we did. Here we are now today. I believe it's the beginning of something great. It's the coming together of the broad-based coalition will become increasingly demanding as we approach next year's elections. And elections are an important part of our democracy, but they must never become a source of division that undermines the progress we have made as a country. Your Excellency, let us speak openly about the opportunities before us, the challenges we face, and the concerns of the people we represent. Let us listen to one another, challenge ideas, Your Excellency, respectfully, and most importantly, emerge with a clearer sense of purpose and a renewed commitment to serving Kenyans. Your Excellency, the President, distinguished leaders, Nakuru is honored to host you.
Ababwatani bikyombe kyalinda mwananchi korwa sorongo rwa Western nigo baruro kobolia gochia serikali kwene kibuna nkobekero bolendi boisaina chinga kichi bagendete gokora etarasi jinsemo aigemeye saso kwene kibuna korwa koboli gochia sabananchi kobobotesi asobo choli bulibusyo ukwana chinga kecho nigo bamuchiri chisakasaka haichi chabire chikwene kibwa chinga ki bagokora chitaro chebo.
We want the IG to ensure that peace is everywhere in this country. There is no part of this country that's not governable. So Linda Mwananchi is going to Homa Bay. We've had a lot of issues coming up. An elected leader saying that if he sees you with a t-shirt of Linda Mwananchi, will deal with you and destroy that t-shirt and deal with you properly. That person belongs to the jail.
Nilisikia marafiki wakisema coalitions, sijui kwenda Azimio, kwenda nini. As Linda Mwananchi, we are not doing any coalition now. We are running our affairs as Linda Mwananchi. Maneno ya coalition ni next year. And we want to agree with Rigathi Gachagua. Watu waende field wafanye kazi. Sisi hatuna time.
And we are giving you only today and tomorrow to release for us our name Linda Mwananchi, or else we shall call the Wananchi themselves, those Linda Mwananchi, the Wananchi, to come and demand their name. That is our name. You cannot backdate a later to 2024. By 2024, there was nothing like Mwananchi, Linda Mwananchi.
Ibyombe nigo bigendete kurukoboli gocha sekyombe kyobocholi ne chimbebe IBC. Kweneke bunango chigere kobeko bolendi nabo igo kweneke buno bocholi bo mwaka wechirubere 2025 igo bora chikoba hobotwereru. Ukwana chinga kecho nigo baruro koboli gocha 7 go chigweso kya sobonge na kwene kibunango chora barabara ye au barabara asimiaka 5.
To introduce digital filing, standardize evidence formats, and clarify which institution handles which disputes before nominations open. 8th is on inclusive representation. We urge the IEBC, Parliament, the National Gender and Equality Commission, and the National Council of People with Disability to remove the administrative barriers that continue to lock out women, youth, persons with disabilities, and minorities from candidate registration and party lists by the 4th quarter of 2026. 9th is on the enforcement of electoral offences. We call upon IEBC, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and the Judiciary to fast-track the investigation and prosecution of voter bribery, intimidation, and other campaign malpractices with immediate effect and strengthen capacity by the 4th quarter of 2026. And last, on digital campaigning and electoral misinformation, disinformation. We urge Parliament, IEBC, the Communications Authority, and the Office of Data Protection, of the Data Protection Commissioner, to put in place legal safeguards against harmful digital political advertising and AI-generated content, and to create rapid correction mechanisms for electoral misinformation and disinformation ahead of the 2027 campaign period. This must be done while preserving the democratic right of Kenyans to engage on the digital space. Now, in conclusion, we have said that considering the precedent set in the management of elections in the region, it is incumbent upon Kenyans and the relevant institutions to protect and promote the right of every Kenyan to a credible, peaceful, free and fair election. The Uchaguzi platform is closely monitoring developments in this sphere and remains steadfast in agitating for urgent action on this 10-point minimum reform agenda. We are calling on Parliament, the IEBC, the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, the Judiciary and all other electoral agencies to treat the coming months as decisive for the credibility of the 2027 general election.
Na gwikiraga bumwanchumo rigerere no gwikira umweli wa mwana maya yekionga chinsebire chiabo no butiko kolende chikoraga chinsenye ingirana ngoma nya senchura yo gwikira nditera Cyrus Nyakunde agaye chikamera ni galenge Wilfred Matundo yene kichibicha na moliwe chira senchura yo gwikira no igarenge DJ Atsani nago sebiro twarugo rigereria
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo rembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, pagina ninjo.
Nenkwane yeborerero, tiene smubasi. Mubasi n'abantu ababasi banyure negusiyengima, kero kenda baswati masawatu chichiza mu cyagusi. Bali bonse monte kare tubone nkware tigere ko bubasi. Ogesaka matarema inyaine kase mere yereke nkurongo. Inaki ogesaka matalema nyaine kase emereti nyaine ke nkurongo abagesaka bali mundigereti n'abantaba n'abantu mumetu no mukwerenda mukuka chebintelinga ngakyobo komu moja konyora ngampi amuri inwa mangana ino na ya ino na mumetu no mokole bintu bino buyayigo ogesaka ko bako gamba mangana abo nabako yagamba buyayigo bamanyerera ntibo kabancha inabanyene bara uno bamaite no muragambe na bara mwa kekera kumbetara ali yawa yo kolere gazi ayabonaro ugesaka matalema nyene kase mereti nyene kinkurongo kinkurongo njya kabera okale ntobwate kiriya bazongo bali kuruka kevu tuba kinkurongo kinyingi ndi kina kitokoroka kibuli ebuli yaba gesaka ali ugesaka nore kare kwa chiaga tembo se chiata mbu chiasa geteiga uchiali mero gesaka ali enkurongo nyaineke no chiroro uchiroro
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo rembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, pagina ninjo.
Edu eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke meyo mucyo busongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwa seche company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwa seche company ao amajani kurwa se company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensold egati bintu binde binge wigo nkonya bale chirangiche e company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa se company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ebirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyirange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomucho wasongo bakere simgwe transact number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners